Gate.io Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. Gate.io has steadily gained attention as a cryptocurrency exchange, but is it the right platform for you in 2025? Let's break down the features, benefits, and drawbacks so you can decide with confidence. Most people get this wrong by assuming all crypto exchanges operate the same way. The surprising truth is that Gate.io offers over 10 cryptocurrencies and thousands of trading pairs, making it one of the most versatile platforms for serious traders. Whether you're into Bitcoin, Ethereum, or more niche altcoins, Gate.io likely has what you're looking for. The pros start with variety. You get access to spot trading, margin trading, futures, and even options trading all in one place. Security is another strong point. The platform uses two-factor authentication, withdrawal whitelist, and cold storage to protect assets. For beginners, Gate.io offers a simple interface, but it also has advanced charts and technical tools for experienced traders. The exchange supports multiple payment options, including credit cards and bank transfers, which makes funding accounts relatively straightforward. However, there are cons. Gate.io can feel overwhelming for newcomers due to the sheer number of trading options and markets. Customer support has been reported as slow at times, which could be frustrating if issues arise. Additionally, fees can be higher for certain trading pairs compared to competitors, so cost-conscious users should check the fee schedule before committing. In conclusion, Gate.io in 2025 is an excellent choice for traders who want access to a wide range of cryptocurrencies and advanced trading features. If you're a beginner, be prepared for a learning curve, but the platform's security and variety make it worth exploring. Always remember to trade responsibly and start with smaller amounts until you're comfortable with the tools and markets.